Well, you join me on this wet and miserable December 1st, and I'm a bit rusty at this, so give me a break with my commentary. But I thought I would do a little update on the Roadster, as it has now hit a milestone, as I've done 10,000 miles since I purchased it. So in almost 2 years, I've been averaging sort of like 6,000 miles a year. And one thing I wanted to quickly mention is I should have taken a video or documented it, but if there's any smart Roadsters or smart 452 owners of this year could tell me that when you reach 10,000 miles on the tripometer, so on the trip control, when you cross 10,000, it shows a more than 9 sign. It's quite funny to think about. Again, it's been pretty plain sailing really. The only new thing that I've noticed that I do know that will need work at some point is when I'm in 4th, 5th and 6th gear and I'm quite low in the rev range, if I completely put my foot down on the accelerator, it comes out of gear and it maxes out the revs. So I'm not 100% sure, but it could be clutch or the clutch actuator playing up a little bit. So that's something I need to take a look at in the future. It's quite handy really. So this is the garage slash shed that I have, and as you can see, these were built like sort of in the 60s. This has probably got asbestos in it, but let's not worry about it. But they were designed for 60 size cars, like 1960 styles car, and this is, you know, fits in there like a glove. But something I need to do before the MOT comes up is change one of the license plate lights. So I found a video online on how to do it. I'll put a link in the description, because when I first came over to these, I was like, how on earth do you get these out? But they're quite simple in theory. These simply just like unclip, you can pull them and then they'll yank out, and you can change the bulb. And here they are. Hopefully these will fit. I've just got the new LED style ones, W5W or 5W5. Can't remember the code exactly, but I'm going to try and change it now and see if it works. Oh, rest in peace, snail. Sorry, dude. Okay, so let's have a look. I know I don't really have too much light around here at the moment, but this is a case of that they just, oh lovely, pull them back and then they slide up, which is handy. And then you pretty much open that adapter and change the bulb. So let's give that a go. All right, moment of truth. I mean, one of them was still working, but obviously they clearly weren't looking too good. And these were literally just a simple case of plug and play. So here's the moment of truth. Bear with, obviously this is can be quite a bit of a nightmare to get in and out of. I'm starting to sound like an old man driving this. All right, what's the worst that can happen? Here we go. Oh wow. Oh, much better. That's good. Much clearer. Let me just try it without the torch on as well. There we go. They're actually so bright that they're probably actually harder to read now. Good. But yeah, I feel like there's going to be a few other customizations that I do want to do. Let me know in the comments how easy it is, but I do want to change the bulbs. I feel like during the winter period that these standard halogens are just a little bit too, they're not quite strong enough really. But I'll see what else is out there, and then in the future obviously get around to changing them. But yeah, that will now not be an issue with my MOT and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically it really. Oh, look what I've got growing on the side of this car. Tiny little snail. Oh, you're a young one. You can go down here. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I know it's just a short and sweet little update. I know I haven't been too active on the channel, but I know I've been meaning to do this for a while. Obviously crossing 10,000 miles. I'll also show some screenshots of the fuel economy across that whole entire time. It has been really, really good. I can't lie. And to be honest, I'm glad it's in the dark, because it looks like it's got 10,000 miles worth of dirt and grime and stuff on it. It just needs desperate clean, but hey ho, move past that. But yeah, so again, thank you for watching, and I'll be uploading again very soon.